been a long day for us. Hey guys, welcome back. I am Orlando. This is Sin City Cycling. We are here today to finish our Aliexpress build. I'm really excited about this one. For those who've seen part one, we really appreciate you. Thank you. If you have not seen it yet, I will leave a link down in the description below. Please check it out as well. If you remember last time when we left off, we were having some issues with our build. We had some issues with the bottom bracket. I had to go and find a new bottom bracket, which is going to be this race face bottom bracket, which has a hole for a 30mm spindle, which is what we require for our Praxis cranks. So that has finally been taken care of. This was kind of an ow. That cost $90 for that to have that for the bike. If you remember, our second issue we were also having was with the direct mount brakes. We have just got those. These are 7100 series, if I'm correct, 7001 direct mount. These are the new 105 brakes. They are supposed to be really good, really stiff, and really easy to modulate. So we will definitely get back on those. I'm a little excited to put these on. I've never done direct mount brakes. Something you didn't see in the last video was me breaking a stem bolt. I'm not sure why they were so hard stuck in there, but trying to get one out, we ended up breaking one. If you ever end up breaking a stem bolt, you'll find that you cannot buy just one stem bolt. So I bought 6. So we're gonna go ahead and just swap them all out for these. That way they're nice and uniform. But I had to pick these up because I did indeed break one. That is that, and I think that is pretty much everything. You guys didn't really see the pedals before. Those are 5800 series carbon pedals, nothing special. I think that's about it. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get started on this build, and hopefully today we will have some footage of me riding it around. I really appreciate you guys coming by. As always, if you like what we're bringing, please think about hitting that like and that subscribe button. If there's anything you want to see us do, or you have any questions about our build, please hit it down in the comments below and ask. Thank you. The cables actually run through the bottom bracket here. So once the bottom bracket is in this shell, I am not going to be able to do the cables. So the cables are going to have to go first, then bottom bracket, then our cranks, and then hopefully test drive. And we got Teflon cables. Hopefully they will be more slippery than regular cables because they're Teflon. Things won't stick to them. Okay, so we're just about finished with the Frankenstein build. We had some minor difficulties with some spacers on the cranks here. That's something I'm going to have to go back and fix in a little bit, but everything else is working fine. I have not clipped the derailleur cable here. I need to tighten the attention so we can get it to shift into the top ring. But it's been a long day for us, and I think we're going to call it a day today. You'll probably see us out riding it here shortly. It is finished except for the tuning on the front derailleur. Everything else is done. Brakes are done, everything except bar tape. We still need to do the bar tape, so we'll finish that shortly. Anyway, we appreciate you watching this build. Peace.